Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Cleo.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you JavaScript. So did you know there is a Silicon Valley technology education company called Code With Us?
They offer a free live online class from age 6 to 18. You just need to go to codewithus.com/free and schedule a class.
Code With Us offer over 10 different topics, including video games like Roblox and one of our favorite games, Minecraft.
They also teach 2 popular professional programming languages like Python and JavaScript, like we're going to show in this video. Today we're going to learn about the let keyword. So first we have HTML, then we have in the head we have a title which is Hello World, then and head, and in the body we have head 2 which is JavaScript let, and then we have a paragraph which has ID equals message. Then we have the script tag which allows us to write JavaScript in HTML. So first we have let hello equals hello let. Then we have let hello equals 0. So we're going to try to redefine a let variable. Then after we try to redefine, we're going to check the results by doing document.getElementById message the inner HTML equals hello. So this will try to find a HTML element that has the ID message, which is basically the paragraph, because the paragraph only has ID equals message. Then we're going to link the value of the hello let variable into the paragraph. So now I'm going to save it and see it. So we're open in our default browser, which is Google Chrome. So here it says uncaught syntax error. Identifier hello has already been declared. That means here we can't redefine let variables. Next we have this. So it's variable. So we're now try the same with the variable keyword. So it's var by equals hello variable. Hello var. Then we have var by equals 0. So we're going to try to override it. And we're going to link to the paragraph again and do the value of by. So now we're going to see the results in Google Chrome. So now here in the paragraph there's 0 and there's nothing here because you can redefine a variable.
So we're comparing a let to a variable. Right now we see the let can't override, but the variable can.
Yeah, okay. So next we have curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets we have let message equals hello let. Then here we have another set of curly brackets which has variable message equals hello variable. So we're going to try to override the message, the let message inside the curly brackets with the variable keyword message equals hello var inside another set of curly brackets. So then we're going to do document.getElementById message. So we're going to link to the paragraph again. So now I'm going to save it and see the results in Google Chrome. So here it's hello var, which means you can restate the let message inside the curly brackets with var message equals hello var in curly brackets. Okay. Next, we're going to do here, we're going to do let message equals hello let. Okay. Then we're going to do variable message equals hello var. So we're going to try to restate it without curly brackets. Then we're going to check with document.getElementById message. So we're going to link to the paragraph again. So let's see if this is allowed or not. Okay. So here it says uncaught syntax error. Identifier message has already been declared. So here we cannot do it without the curly brackets. So next we're going to do curly brackets, let message equals by let. Then we're going to try to redo it, redo the value by doing var message equals by var. But this is in one pair of curly brackets, so this is not allowed. So we're going to check if that's actually not allowed by doing document.getElementById message again and link to the paragraph. So I'm going to save it and go here, do it again. Okay, so there's the same thing. and caught syntax error identifier message has already been clicked. So this also doesn't work. So then here we're going to do message equals hello before var. So here the message doesn't have a var keyword. Then we're going to do document.getElement by ID message. The inner HTML equals message. So we're going to link to the paragraph and do the value of message. And then after we do that, we're going to do var message equals hello with var. So we're going to do the message again, but with the var keyword. So I'm going to save it and run. Okay. So here is hello before var. So you can do the variable keyword, but you don't need it. So here we just do message equals hello before var. Okay. Then we're going to try to do the same thing with the let keyword. So here we have message equals hello before let. So notice that again, it doesn't have the let keyword. Then we do document.getElement by ID message.inner HTML equals message. So we're going to link to the paragraph again. And then we're going to do let message equals hello with let. So now we have let keyword. So we're going to save it and do it. So here there's uncaught reference error. Cannot access message before initialization. So it can't access the message because there's no let keyword in it.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.